A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is timeless wisdom of the Mahabharata, guiding modern lives. Ladies and gentlemen, the Mahabharata, an unparalleled epic, explores human behavior, moral dilemmas, and the timeless conflict between justice and injustice. While centered around the family dispute over the throne of Hastinapur, its deeper essence lies in the teachings of Dharma, the sacred duty, and righteous conduct. Its lessons on life, relationships, and morality continue to hold profound relevance in the modern world, offering a roadmap for leading a purposeful and ethical life in today's complex society. The Mahabharata imparts a wealth of teachings that resonate across time and generations. Let us look deeper into these teachings. First, the mind as the architect. Human thoughts determine actions and destiny. Mastering the mind is key to mastering life's challenges. Second, the primacy of righteousness. Choosing the path of truth and justice, even when difficult, ensures inner peace and long-term fulfillment. Third, conquering inner enemies. Triumph over pride, envy, greed, and anger leads to genuine peace and harmony. Fourth, the destructive power of vices. Indulgence in destructive habits such as gambling leads to ruin and devastation. Fifth, the ripple effect of one person's actions. One misguided individual can cause widespread destruction. Vigilance is therefore essential. Sixth, the danger of half knowledge. Incomplete understanding is often more dangerous than ignorance. Seventh, attachments, blind judgment. Emotional attachments often cloud rational decision making and moral clarity. Eighth, true friendship over superficial allies. One loyal and wise friend is worth more than countless false companions. Ninth, the respect for women as a societal pillar. Societies flourish when women are honored and respected. Disrespect leads to societal collapse. 10th, focus and determination. Single-minded focus on a goal free from distractions is essential for success. 11th, integrity as the foundation for a sustainable success. Deceptive victories are short-lived. Integrity ensures lasting fulfillment. 12th, detachment from results. Perform actions without attachment to outcomes. This principle fosters peace and resilience. 13. Equanimity in all circumstances. Remaining balanced in both success and in failure is the mark of true strength and wisdom. 4th, the role of teachers. True teachers guide individuals to realize their inner potential and divinity. 15. Forgiveness as a mark of strength. Only the strong can forgive. Forgiveness liberates both the giver and the receiver. 16. The dangers of revenge. Harboring revenge leads only to personal and collective destruction. 17. Tolerance and gentle speech. Speaking kindly, even in anger, fosters harmony and prevents conflicts. What's the way forward? In today's materialistic and fast-paced world, these lessons provide a blueprint for leading a life of integrity, compassion, and resilience. Embracing these teachings can foster stronger families, more ethical leadership, and societies grounded in justice and empathy. By prioritizing inner growth over material gains, individuals and communities can build a more powerful, harmonious world. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the essence of the Mahabharata lies in living with love, compassion, humility, and devotion, not greed, envy, or ego. These teachings form the foundation for a just and flourishing society. A guiding message from Lord Krishna captures this beautifully. Fulfillment lies in performing duties with dedication and detachment from the results. Focusing on purpose over reward leads to true inner peace. This timeless wisdom inspires lives rooted in purpose and righteousness, ensuring that humanity's future is built upon moral strength and spiritual balance. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.